what? That tank's looking an awful lot better at Denby's now. It's had a bit of a scrum.
I was going to say, it couldn't look much worse.
Well, a bit's hanging off it here and there, but the funny thing is, I reckon he's going to get it going again.
Is it going? Well, good luck. I'm very excited if he does. I'll tell you what, I don't know I've got time to wait for that. I think we should have a go on this one, Steve.
The whole reason why we come on this journey is to find these unexpected finds.
There's a whole world we have yet to explore.
This is the most significant moment in human history.